All right, excited. Look at this. What? 2020 Cascadia. They said it's going to be a 2023. Oh, all right. Let's call the dispatcher. Hello, Johnny speaking. Hey, Johnny, I'm your new driver. Just calling to get my first dispatch. Where am I off to? Hey, yeah, welcome on board. Yeah, I got your load right here. Picking up in 5564 Elmwood Court. It's a live load. It's going to take about 3 or 4 hours to load you, and it's going to Long Island, New York. Live load? What are you talking about? I was told that the trailers are preloaded here in the yard. What's going on? And what? A load going down east? I was told you don't go to New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. What are you talking about? Who told you that? The recruiter. God damn, the recruiter lied to me. Let me guess. Your trucks are also governed, aren't they? Of course they're governed. 60 miles an hour. 60 miles